Hi people, so today we are making Okpa di Oku, Okpa Nsukka, Okpa Enugu, whichever one you call it. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare it. Stay tuned. So to begin, I'm adding in my red oil. So for those of you that don't know how to cook Okpa, to achieve this recipe, just follow the guidelines and you will achieve a perfect Okpa recipe. So to cook this Okpa, all you need is a cup of palm oil, 3 cups of Okpa flour. Make sure you mix very well, just as you are seeing on your screen. Mix, mix, mix. At this stage, after we've mixed very well, next is to go ahead and add in warm water, not hot, warm water, and continue mixing. Make sure you mix very well and very fast. Okay guys, keep watching. The next stage is to go ahead and add in your uziza seed. Feel free to add in as much as you want. For me, I like the taste in my okpa, so feel free to add as much as you want, depending on your choice. So keep watching. At this stage, go ahead and add in your pepper, chili, whichever one you are using is also perfect. Okay guys, for me, I use chili powder. So next is your salt. So this stage is optional. I'm cooking this okpa to my preferable taste, okay? But it's optional. Cooking okpa, you don't need to add Maggi seasoning. But in this case, I added in Maggi seasoning. And if you watch, I added just a little bit. Salt is enough when you are cooking okpa. But if you like, you can also try to add in Maggi and see how the taste will be. Keep watching. So my lovelies, at this stage the seasonings are okay. So at this moment I will be boiling some water in a pot that we use to cook the okpa. Okay guys. Guys, I actually have all these containers for moi moi, all these plates and all that, but I just prefer to use nylon because I love the taste. I don't know why. Like, I bought this thing too for things like this, but at the end I don't make use of it because I prefer the nylon hole. I don't know if you are in my shoe. Please drop it at the comment section. So go ahead and tie it the portions you need. Okay guys, as for me, I'm the only one that eats okpa in this house. My children don't even know it, although they have tried it, but they are not used to it. So I'm only cooking this for myself, and this okpa will last me for the week because I don't joke with it. I usually enjoy it in the morning, like as my breakfast with coffee or pap, custard, name it, or even to eat it so, like with cola, soft drink, you are good to go for the day. And it's so delicious. And another thing I have to say about okpa, I stand to be corrected. Like when you eat it, you don't need any food again for a long time. You just be drinking water. Just only water. I remember back days in Africa, those people that used to do hard jobs, all those tough jobs like bricklayers and all that. You know, all those people that all those men that used to do hard work. Not only men, even women, because everybody eats okpa, both women and men. So this is their easy food. Also, for those of us that grow up in East, we know you can relate very well. You know what I'm talking about. Okpa is so common, you can easily buy it anywhere in the streets, especially in the morning. In fact, there are some places you will go, they have their section where they sell okpa. So, as you can see, the okpa is not yet done. I just flip to the other side, although you must not do it. But if it's ready, you will know. Right now, the okpa is ready and you can see how it's looking, well cooked, and you are good to go. So my lovelies, before I forget, if today is your first time coming across my video, hello, let's be friends. Click that sign that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos like this. I normally upload videos on weekly basis. And to my OG returning subscribers, thank you all so much for always coming in to support your girl. I really appreciate, guys. So the okpa is ready, so delicious. I'm just enjoying this okpa. Okay, my lovelies, thank you so much for watching. If you watched this video to this extent, I heart you. See you guys in my next upcoming video. As of now, I am out. Bye. Ciao.